Greetings, my fellow coders. Hello. I'm feeling a lot better. I might. Should I remove the Pikachu or Pichu? Should I just leave it? Might just leave it. I think it's a nice aesthetic to have. But I am down here in case you guys are wondering. But hello, we're back. It's a bit late right now. It's 2:33. I woke up at 1, so it's understandable that this is pretty late. But I had a very interesting idea for a new app that I think will be very helpful for a lot of you. And I was just writing down the general idea on my to-do app, and I think it's of course it's something to do with habits, because everything that I work on is pretty much working on habits and anti-procrastination. But it's called habit lock, right? And here's the general idea of it. Like, I'm sure you can just read it right here, right up there, right up there, right up there. But I'll explain it to you guys in further detail. So for those of you who work predominantly on desktops or laptops, I'm sure a lot of you have this problem of knowing exactly what you want to do or what you want to get done, but you can never you always get distracted when you get on computers, right? Like, whenever you start up the computer, you're always just like, oh yeah, let me go on YouTube, or let me go on what else, like Twitch or something like that, right? Like Gmail, anything like that, Facebook. Like, there's always these distractions that are just open for us to just go off and get ADHD basically, or like get completely distracted. And then by the time you're done browsing, or by the time you're like sick and tired of watching YouTube videos, you're like, finally, okay, let's get it done. But like the mental energy that you expended on watching YouTube, and the physical energy, I guess, of being awake and watching that stuff, like, kind of tires you out, so you're not working at your best. And I feel like when you're working, especially with coding and like maybe assignments, if you have something that you need to do, and like you wake up fresh, I think that's the highest quality of work you can do. Because the moment you lock in and you zone in is the moment that you just bust out the entire assignment in like 30 minutes, and it's just like an amazing assignment, and you don't have to worry about it until it's due basically. So what I'm suggesting is, initially, when you start up your computer, right? When you start up your computer, the habit lock app, or the desktop app, will essentially lock anything that isn't related to the habit. And obviously, like, you will set up what you want to be done. So imagine, like, let me just give you an example. So let's say you wanted to stream 1 hour every single day, basically on OBS or something like that, right? And you wouldn't be able to unlock any other like application. Basically, you wouldn't be able to open Steam, you wouldn't be able to open Discord until you get that 1 hour thing. Or let's say, for example, you have like multiple apps or multiple to-dos. So like, you have a Word doc that you need to finish writing, something like that, and then like, you can only move on to the next habit once you write a certain amount of words. I don't know how I'm gonna do the specifics of it, but and the same goes for coding. It's you gotta code for at least an hour. And I think the easiest way of doing this is just gonna have like have an estimated timer to determine how long you have to work on the habit. Because that just makes things a whole lot easier in terms of reducing distractions, but also setting a goal for yourself. And once you hit that goal, you're kind of free to do whatever else you want. So like, the moment the habit lock breaks, or the moment the habit lock finishes, then that's when you can just go watch YouTube, go play games, whatever you want to do basically. Right? So I'm already thinking about the design. Can either be daily resets, so no matter if the person has been online for the whole day and night, it will reset and habit lock. Yeah, so that way, like, even if you're on the computer, like, until like 5 a.m., which I normally am, the habit lock will still enable even if it's on. So it's not just like when you restart it and open it up. But ideally, like, when you restart it and open it up, it's an app that just like startups basically, right? And it's kind of hard to bypass. It should be, this is a functional requirement, should be super hard to bypass, right? In terms of like, you know, okay, let's finish this 1 hour thing just by closing the app or closing the to-do or closing the whatever thing you're doing right now, like just closing the Word doc or closing Visual Studio Code and reopening it. Then it like reset. It shouldn't do that basically, right? In fact, might just remove the close button for whatever application habit you are trying to lock down. And I think it might be called digital habit lock because I can't imagine this being a, honestly, could work for both digitally and real life. Because if I do the timer thing, right, then it's not really like locked specifically to whatever activity you're doing. There's no like deterministic behavior where it's like, you know, it's gonna go into an application and then, you know, read the time that you've been recording, something like that. It's more so just gonna be a timer, and I'm guessing how it's gonna work is even for real life, it won't enforce whatever you're doing, but it'll just lock your phone for the duration that you're trying to lock in. And then in that time, you're kind of just like, okay, you know what? Might as well do this stuff since I can't go on my phone, basically. So yeah, the main thing for it is just reducing screen time / distractions. So, and that's pretty good general thing. Let me think. Can have multiple routines, habits set up. Can also be ordered. Yeah, so it'll be like a number-based system. So, like, for example, e.g., first habit will be record for 1 hour. Second habit, do boxing for 30 minutes, something like that, right? And then 3 is code for 2 hours, and then 4 is read for 30 minutes. Right. So these are pretty general like to-dos. Obviously you can do, or these are pretty general habits. Like obviously you can do more specific ones that are tailored to you, like whatever you want to work on. You know, it could be anything. It really doesn't matter what the habit is. It's sort of just like a digital blocker that prohibits you from distracting yourself, basically, right? So it minimizes the chances of you getting distracted. But anyway, that was a bit of a tangent. You know, let me know if this sounds like valid or interesting, and if you guys have any feedback on it, just write in the comments. I would love to hear what you guys think of this, because this is something that has plagued me for quite a long time, and I'm sure it plagues a lot of people, especially in, you know, our current time, you know, where distractions are super accessible, and you can distract yourself just like this, you know, like just with a search in the toolbar, basically. So anyways, aside from that tangent, I'm gonna write down, it's like 9:30, I'll just keep that in my mind. So I'm gonna write down, oh, I'm not writing down, I'm gonna move on to Forget Me Not, and today we're just gonna keep on working on the task screen, right, and just gonna try and build this properly. So I just want to test Pam what this looks like. So right now it's a bit goofy, obviously, but luckily I am a thief, And I'm just gonna get inspired by these guys. So what I'm thinking is, it's just an update pop up. It's really annoying when you just do pure CSS because it's 99% just the design thing and it doesn't really matter. But especially when you're doing like user focused applications, the design is 90% of the thing. Because if users come in and then they're like, this is a dog shit looking website or dog shit looking application, they're not gonna stick around for long. It's the same with like, well, a lot of things I guess, but like, you know, games, stuff like that. So yeah, it's not. What if I allowed this? Can I do reminders now? No, I cannot. I don't know why they have this disabled. I know you just can't use reminders as a, you know, as a free user, which is a bit annoying. I feel like the reminders, especially on desktop, is like pretty free to do. But alas, I don't know why they have that animation. They have an animation before this box turns into this box. If you see here, it like moves to the right a little bit. Seems a bit unnecessary of a transition, but well, you can do a voice audio. Hello. Not this time. Hello. Can you hear me? Not this time. Hello. Can you hear me? Well, that's kind of sick. You can do voice memos. What? Insert from integration. Oh my god. Wow. I am genuinely impressed with like. Okay, what am I? What? Where did my thing go? My thing. Oh, I didn't comment it. Hello, 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 hello. That's really cool. I like that. Hello, 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 hello. I think this will be good for collaborations, but obviously not now because I'm nowhere near ready for that. So, for comments, add voice memos and eventually I do want this to be an enterprise thing, so it'll probably have to support more than one user or like multiple concurrent users at one time. Add voice memos and attachment. Yeah, cool. Okay, so ability to make subtasks. Okay, let's try and figure this out, shall we? So the to-do form right now is very, very big. And I think if I just make it, if the width is like 75%. Okay, wait, I just realized 75% is good, by the way. I'm keeping it there. But the forms is massive for some reason. I don't know why. Couldn't tell ya. Pop-up inner. Oh, right. Min width is 90%. So I'm just gonna set the width to be like 50. Yeah, that's good. And then I guess pop-up inner. Wait, what? Oh. Let's just see how they do it for a sec. I'm trying to figure this out. It looks super dynamic up until what is it? Up until around 930-ish. 930 pixels. I don't know why they picked 930 pixels, but it does look super dynamic until then. So like it doesn't really squeeze. So I'm gonna set it to minimum 50% until that basically. Minimum is 50%. Okay, maybe like 75. Okay, maybe like 60. It's good. But anyways, should set these boxes up. 1 second. I'm in the wrong section, aren't I? Indeed, indeed. Let's see. Project. This is my project inbox. Oh, it is. Might as well. Project, and then projector, and then this is a prototype right now because yeah, I haven't made projects yet. I might not though right now because yeah, that's sort of a big feature. I do want due date though. It's like just a little box. How much set as that? Due date. Boom. And it was due date. Oh, right. Looks good. Kind of. I do like this box thing that they have there. Oh boy. Stallion native data input into a custom no library date picker. For helper users, I wanted to offer a way to edit date time values more conveniently than with a plain text input. Huh. Wow. So you just made it in pure HTML basically. Honestly, that's kind of smart. I kind of like that, and I think that's what Todoist did. This looks very custom. This looks super custom, eh? Oh, and then we can add the recurring in here. Wait. Where did they add recurring? Do they even have a recurring? Wait, they don't have a... Oh, what happened to my voice? They don't have a recurring. Don't look like it. I guess this is the recurring. Where does this go? I'm super confused. Where does it go, man? Just disappears. Wait, it actually just disappears. Why would you ever want that? I mean, makes sense to reduce clutter, but like, come on. How do you do that recurring? How do you make it recurring? I need to know. September 15. Oh my god. Oh, is it here? No, it's not. Where is the... I swear they had a recurring thing. Am I tripping? Wait, they genuinely do not have a recurring thing. I swear they did. It's gone now, though. That's so weird. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Fair enough, I guess. Okay, well. Anyways, moving on. Due date. They have due date and they have reminders, right? It just vanishes. What? I think they actually got rid of the recurring feature for like damn, bro. I think they actually got rid of it because this is the only recurring thing that I have. But I do want recurring, so. Okay, well I guess my to-do date is gonna be super decked out. I don't have this. Yeah, they used to have it, I'm pretty sure. Todoist. Recurring tasks. Tasks. I can't speak. That's honestly crazy, though. I'm shook, to be honest. They actually got rid of it. Wow. At least for new users. Or like... Yeah. Wait. You have to set it in there. It's not really intuitive. That's a bit unintuitive though, don't you think? Well, anyways. Sorry, I got a bit sidetracked there, didn't I? How's this look? It's still a bit too big though. To 50, that's like an okay size. They're at like 40 though. Oh my god. Yeah, they're at like 40. What is 40% of 1920? 768? Telling me this is 768? No. Oh wait. Yes. Okay, it is. Lol. Let's just say it's at like 1K, right? 1000 pixels. It should decrease in size. 1000 pixels, and then what? Once it's, why is it not dynamically like decreasing in size? Because the taskbar itself is not. Okay, how about this? Borneo, let's say like 1400. Let's say like 1200, right? Why is it? Oh, what? Why is it? Oh, why did I do that? Boom. Haha. I have it. Okay, that looks good actually. Maybe 85. 82. 84 maybe. It is 83. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the magic number right there. Brilliant. Looks amazing. Love that. It kind of stays at this frame basically, right? And then yes, lovely. That's exactly what I wanted. Brilliant. Okay, and now open parent task. That's cool. That's really cool. What'd I just do? Why'd I just change it? How? How did I even do that? Wait. What did I even do? I don't know, man. I don't know, mate. Okay. So the subtasks is a collapsible. I'm just gonna take Shadsian's collapsibles. That's kind of gross though, I'm not gonna lie. Is it the accordion? Oh yes, the accordion. Okay. Let's take this. NPM. I really do like Shadsian. I don't know why. It's just so nice to use, you know. Super simplistic-ish. Tailwind. I don't even use Tailwind, so it's fine. Actually, that might be bad. Oh well. Configuration is missing. Excuse me. Oh, I haven't installed Shadsian, right? Installation. Manual. And now I am using Tailwind CSS, styled components, CSS modules, and styling in React. This has officially become too much. And now I can officially, well, it was too much at free, but whatever. What? Components.json. Where's components.json? Did I miss the init? Yeah, I missed the init. God, more dependencies is a pain. Okay, I'm switching everything to Tailwind. I don't care. It's gonna be a massive pain, but pain right now means less pain in the future. So let's go nut up and shut up. Nut up and shut up, you know? And just get this done. Oh, what do you mean the components that Jason's missing, man? What do you mean? What do you mean, by the way? Components. This is not. See if it works. Does it actually work? It all exists somehow. It's using the Next.js way of importing. Yeah, it's doing like the @ for some reason. .ui. Is there a UI file? No, there is not. Okay. Why is it not working? Globals.css. I'm just gonna. libutils.ts. Oh god. It's not good. Shed CNN React.
Hello everyone, welcome to Dev Pro.
Hi.
Let's go to and then go to and how to configure some desktop. You can
Introduction. Installation. Components.json. Oh, here it is. Fine. Slate is fine. Sure. No. Oh my god. Alright, no TypeScript. No. God damn it. What is it created? This? Get rid of this. Nope. Do New York font slate. Sure. Nope. Yep. I don't have a JS config. Oh my god. The copy paste method. Should I just copy paste it? Yeah, honestly, screw it. I'm just gonna try the copy and paste method. I don't even know how you do the copy paste. Usage, I guess. This looks promising. Oh, nice. Ew, what the hell is this? Whoa, that's not good. Huh. Interesting. Chevron. Lol. This looks like all sorts of disgusting. Can I roll back everything I just did? I want to roll back everything I just did. That was a big mistake. And I would like to apologize. No! I wanted to use this. Actually, genuinely did. And it didn't remove anything, did it? Let's go do this. Rid of that, rid of that, rid of that, rid of that, rid of that. And we're good. Take nothing out. Brilliant. There we are. Brilliant. So this. Why is Tailwind merge still here? Oh my god. Guess the packages have been installed. This is gonna take a while. In fact, I'm not even gonna do it here because it's gonna take too long. I'm gonna do it in the actual thing. Oh, it's been deleted already. Nice, that was quick. And then this should be proper package lock. It's gonna take a while because I think there's a lot of packages. Okay. Ah, I'm in pain. Should I just use Todoist? I'm gonna just use Todoist. Doist. 55 out of 5 tasks. O then P. Wow. Huh. Still no reminders. Oh, that's what I typed. I remember now. Todoist clone Todovex. What? Huh. Interesting. This just looks like the front end now. Only got a landing page. Wait, Todovex.ai. Get started. Maybe not. Oh damn. Oh, my stomach. Is it because they don't want you to update one thing at the same time? Well, that works. Nothing wrong with that. Interesting. Damn. Changing. This looks a bit a bit wonky. Okay. That's fine. Yeah, it's only worrying about what, 5 different things. God damn it, man. Okay, to do. If it is, otherwise, we're doing this, lad. What? Right. Okay. It's gonna look like this for a long time. Ooh. Right. I'm just gonna finish the left side section, and then probably call it a day. Cause yeah, got an exam to study for, you know. This seems like a lot of repetition-ish. Oh my god. Right, it's basically unclickable button. Okay, that's fine. Fine with that. A lot of if statements there. Interesting. What? Hi. I want to install Tailwind right now. Okay, I'm convert tomorrow. That's probably it for today. It's pretty short. Probably have to use a design pattern here. Maybe a strategy pattern. I'm not sure though. We'll see. Alright. I'm gonna call it a day here. And study for my exam. So yeah. If you guys tuned in this late, let me know what you think of my idea of the habit lock. Okay.